Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Learn more about the effective garlic ginger soup, a natural remedy for colds, flu, and sinusitis. Garlic and ginger are two natural products that are used all over the world as a spice, but they're also known for their medicinal properties. We always talk about them here on the channel because they're great for health. With that in mind, in today's video, you'll learn how to make garlic ginger soup, which has been used for centuries to treat colds, flu, and even sinusitis. Both garlic and ginger have important properties that help fight the pathogens that cause colds and flu, but also extremely unpleasant conditions like rhinitis and sinusitis. In addition, the effect of garlic and ginger is enhanced by the steam that is released when the soup is cooked. Here you'll learn how to prepare this soup, so you have another ally against respiratory diseases. Write down the ingredients: 6 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 medium ginger sliced, 1/2 clove of garlic cut into small pieces, 4 stalks of green onion, leeks cut into medium pieces. Prepare the chicken soup separately first. If the broth is already prepared, pour the amount of 3 cups, half of the total amount, into a pot. Then add all the ingredients for the soup and bring it to a boil over low heat. Let everything boil until the ingredients are soft. When you notice that the soup ingredients are getting soft, add the rest of the chicken broth and cook for another 20 minutes. After this time, turn off the heat and the soup is ready. Now you just have to wait until it cools down a bit to eat it. You can either eat the soup throughout the day or store some of it in the fridge for the next day. Also, this recipe is estimated to be enough for 3 people with at least 1 serving each. While eating, in addition to drinking the soup broth, chew the ginger, garlic, and leek pieces well, as this will help absorb the properties of the ingredients. Did you enjoy learning how to make this delicious garlic ginger soup? Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. I hope you get well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.